Hi there! In this video, I'm going to teach you about string methods. Methods are a type of function within a class. If you took Python 1, you will be familiar with the format. For example, Tina.left. We will start by comparing two text strings that are very similar to each other. As you can see, they only differ by a single character. For Python, there are two completely different text strings because the first begins with a lowercase d and the second with an uppercase d. If we compare the two string objects using the comparison operator =, we will get false as a result. This difference can cause problems with text search applications, comparing texts, or searching for a word. The string methods upper and lower can help. Before we talk about these methods, I'll quickly explain the difference between a function and a method. All methods are functions, but not all functions are methods. A method is a function within a class. Classes are objects that contain data and functions. An object is a unique instance of a data structure constructed by a class. In the Python 1 course, we started our drawing scripts by naming an object as part of a class. Tina equals NCLab turtle. NCLab turtle is a class of Python turtles specific to NCLab. Tina is a unique instance of that class. In Python, every text string is an object. Let's apply upper and lowercase string methods to some text string objects. When we want the whole string to be capitalized, we apply the method upper to a variable defined by that string. Let's see what happens with this example. We will create a variable u with a text string inside. We want all characters to be capital letters, so let's create another variable new u that will contain the result of a method upper invoked on the variable u. Now we can print the new u. We can see the text string in capital letters, just like we wanted it to be. New variables can be justified if they are going to be used again in the program. If they are not needed, we can simply invoke the upper method inside the print function. The output is exactly the same. As you've probably noticed, the method is written as the object's name, then a period, and finally the function. There are many string methods. Let's examine lower. Imagine the opposite situation, where we want the text to be lowercase. Let's create a new string inside a variable, L, that will be partly uppercased and partly lowercased, so that you can see that it's not a problem for our program. Let's use one last example, the method title. This method returns a copy of the string in which the first characters of all the words are capitalized. Let's look at this example. Does the result of this code look like a real title? Not really. Short words like a, an, and, the, and so are normally not capitalized in titles, whereas the title method capitalizes them as well. That's all for this video. We have learned three predefined string methods: upper, lower, and title. Methods are basically functions that apply to objects defined by a class. In this case, our class is all string objects. You will learn more about classes, objects, and object-oriented programming in general later in the course. For now, practice using these methods yourself so that you are comfortable with the format. See you in the next video.